Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. In this video I will show you how you can able to create a Python virtual environment and install some packages to it. So let me give you a little background. So I was trying to run this script. I was working on building one of the demo, and I was wanted to run this script here, this Python script. And when I go ahead and try to run this, I got let me get the script name here. So I wanted to run this Python 3, and when I wanted to run this one here, I got an error message. There's no module for me. It's a pandas, right? So okay, one option I had is I can install it to my local machine, which I don't wanted to do that. So I went ahead and end up creating I'm looking to create a Python virtual environment, so I can able to install any kind of packages there. Okay, so and I also that's a recommended practice. So this way you are not building your app which has some kind of a dependency on the package, right? So this way, let me go ahead and create it. So I will be calling it SageMaker Studio, right? So this is what the Python command looks like. So you have to provide this Python 3 -m v environment, and then you have to provide the your virtual environment name. So I will be calling it SageMaker Studio. So went ahead and I created a SageMaker environment. So once here, once we are here, Alice, so we're able to see, hey, this is being done. I'm sure it has created SageMaker Studio. I already had a couple of other environment being created in past. So now once we are here, we are looking. Next step is we are looking to go and create a activate this one, right? So we're done creating. Now we're looking to activate it. So once you're done activating, you're able to go and work on it. So in order for me to go and activate it, I need to provide here is the command. So it's a source. And then you need to provide the environment name which you wanted to have it. Then you have to bin and activate. Once done, now if you see here, you're able to see this thing. So that will tell you you are in your virtual environment. Now you can start. If I go here, ls, I just now you're in your virtual environment, right? So once done, other thing you can able to do is you wanted to go and disable it, right? So you wanted to go and disable. In order for you to go and disable it, you need to use deactivate. So what we did activated earlier. Now once I then activated, I come again into the root folder. Now if I can go back and activate it again, I'm here in the SageMaker Studio. Okay, now I can go ahead and pip install what we call pandas, and it letting me install the I can do the brew install, pip install, but you got an idea, right? So this is how you're able to create the virtual environment within the Python and then start working on it. Once done, I will able to go and execute my script, right? So hopefully you got an idea how to get created. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.